Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pragati Gupta, Head of the Department Critical Care at Rama Hospital Sector 61 Noida. Today I am going to tell you about the ventilators. Every minute, someone's lung gave up and they cannot breathe properly due to any condition like during surgeries, due to infections, severe infections, due to accident, and there are so many other conditions when the lungs says no to take breathe. So in these conditions, ventilators are very helpful. They allow the patient to breathe easily, and during the ventilating hours, patient is comfortable. It is not like that during ventilation, patient is not comfortable. They can hear you, they are comfortable, and we try to get them out of ventilator as soon as possible. So ventilator is the end of the life. It's not like that. More than 60 to 70% patient comes out of ventilator. At Rama Hospital Sector 61, we have very good ventilators, and we try till the last breath because every breath matters. Thank you.